Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Tactical Thursday. Today we've got a banger for you. We are doing the first unboxing for the channel. I'm super excited. I got to do it in one take, so hopefully I don't mess up. All right. So what we're unboxing is this knife assortment from Walmart, and I paid $14.68 for it. They're on sale, or they're sold for $15 each. With my 10% discount, came down to $14.68. So that's cool. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I do have my knife on me, as always. If I need to cut anything, I don't know what's inside of this. But it does look like we've got some goodies here. So it is taped. Nope, not there. Where is the tape? Well, this is a good start. It's a good start, guys. Can't even open the thing. It's ASMR perfect unboxing. That's what this channel is. Bro, honestly, I'm about to just cut the plastic. And we're just gonna get in here. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Use a knife to get knives. Alright. Once we get enough of this nonsense clear, I gotta pick all that up too because my daughter walks around in here. Guys, she's walking now. Alright? I don't know what happened, but she decided she's gonna be grown. I did not approve of this. We're celebrating her birthday party on the 8th, and the 12th is her first birthday. Alright, so the sheath comes with it, which honestly, nice little belt loop. It's not too bad. Double strapped. So I guess we're gonna do that knife first. So let's get this out here. Comes with little tip protectors. It's kind of small, not gonna lie. I've got bigger hands, so maybe that's just it. But overall, does feel quality. I mean, I think Ozark Trail is the great value version. It's kind of like the Walmart brand, or Walmart exclusive brand rather. We don't need that tip protector. It's got nice retention. I do like these little grooves up here. Guys, honestly, I've had to have so much self-restraint and self-discipline because I've bought this I don't know, over a week ago, and I have been eager to get this thing going. In hindsight, I probably could have just filmed beforehand and then just kept it, but I didn't think about it, and so it took a lot of discipline. So we've got that, throwing knives. At least it's protected. Always throw knives when they're protected. Alright, next we're going to get into this little tool. It has a little card that says Bio Armor. Yep. Stainless steel multi-purpose pocket survival tool. So it's got 11 features here. It's a can opener, a knife edge, a screwdriver, a ruler, a cap opener, a 4-position wrench for various size nuts and bolt heads. Love it. Butterfly wrench, saw blade direction, something indication. Ancillary, I'm gonna take a stab at it. That's what it says. Lanyard hole, keyring hole, because it's either or. 2-position wrench. I'm throwing everything on the ground, guys, including knives, as we saw. So I'm gonna have to pick that up when we go back through. But let's take a look at it. So here's that saw blade, the knife blade, can opener, which I'll probably use for the can opener, honestly. Have a nice cold one. Use a little multi-tool to get it open. It's not bad. The ruler is not labeled. It's just lines on a piece of metal. So that's fun. Hopefully you don't need precise measurements. Comes with this little thing, which it fits into. Pretty secure. I'll take it. And then we've got this thing, which honestly not too sure what to make of it. It's got a gut hook, so for fishing. It says made in China right there, so you know it's quality. But I mean, all in all, it's just a tiny little blade. It's the tiniest little blade. Yeah, I mean, it's got nice retention points. Again, I have bigger hands, so this looks tiny by comparison. And now, we're gonna get into my favorite part. Let's take this out as well. Throw that over. The actual pocket knife. So it does have a belt clip, which I enjoy. It's also got the hole for the lanyard or key ring. Very stiff. That was rough. Got really small. Like, in comparison to this bad boy, very much a size difference. This fits my hand perfect. As you can see, I can spread it out, everything like that. This looks aggressive, so if I pull this out, you're gonna be more scared than if I pull this little teeny tiny pew pew. Stabby stabs. So anyone from Twitch is gonna know that reference with the stabby stabs. So if you're not following me, follow me there. We do some crazy stuff going on, everything like that. I do like the camo handle. It does have this raised texture. It kind of feels like they've tried, and I'll take it, because most people, you know, they just pump out whatever just to make a sale. But all in all, for 15 bucks, I mean, it also comes with a sharpener, which is cool. I don't know how effective it's going to be, so I guess we'll have to try that out. And guys, we'll do a comparison video between Walmart knives versus my $150 knife and things like that in the future, so be sure to check that out. If you're not subscribed, subscribe with the notifications on, so you'll be notified when that comes out. But all in all, for an unboxing, let me reach over here and grab this bad boy. 15 bucks, I mean, you get what, three blades, 3 sharp edges. You get this little multi-tool that you could slide in your wallet, which is kind of cool. You get a sharpener. They did have other variations of this, and I mean, honestly, this would be good for a Christmas gift. I know Christmas is coming up. This would be good for like a birthday present, things like that, if anyone's outdoorsy or is into knives. Just be aware that they are smaller, okay? It's $15, so you can't expect too much out of it, but, you know, like, again, bigger hands for me, it fits, but not, it fits snug. Again, same thing on this one. The camo is the woods, and that gives it the nice retention with the texture. Like I said, 15 bucks. It'd be a good gift set. And they did have other variations. I know they had a pack with 3 straight blades, kind of like, if you guys saw my knife collection video, my carbon fiber knife, how it was more of the square, like a kind of like a chopper. They had the pack of 3 of those, and some other cool sets. So honestly, for like Walmart quality, it's not bad. There's a variation to it, things like that. But guys, first unboxing for the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and follow me on Twitch. I'll link that in the description. And until the next one, see you then.